Kia ora, my friends. Hello. Hi. I'm so happy to see you. Hey, Titiro, watch my magic trick. It's toy time. Waka tato. Whoop.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toy Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy Time!
Okay, aprons on, chef's hats. Oh, kia ora te whānau, and welcome to the Toi Time kitchen. Ko Jojo aho, and my favourite thing to bake is bread. Fresh bread smells amazing when it's just come out of the oven.
Kia ora, ko Riki aho. And my favourite thing to bake is potatoes. Once they're crispy on the outside and soft in the middle, I like to drizzle them with butter.
That sounds delicious, Riki. Kia ora, I'm Maya, and it's great to see you. I love to bake cakes, and then, once they cool down, I cover them in sweet, creamy icing.
I love the smell of baking.
You know, bread, potato and cake are all very different things to bake. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Jojo. How can I help you today?
what is baking?
Baking is a special type of cooking that uses dry heat, usually in an oven. You can bake lots of delicious things.
Like bread and cake.
And potatoes.
Thanks, Mōhio. Do you know what my favourite thing about baking is? Oh, licking the batter off the bowl. Oh, I do like that, but it's not my favourite.
Getting to eat the baking?
Oh, getting warmer. But my favourite thing about baking is spending time with my whānau in the kitchen and then eating what we bake.
Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. We'll make a list of things we have to get from the supermarket so we don't forget. Every small ingredient will play its part, and we can make a tasty little work of art. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. We'll measure out the flour that we'll use. Did the recipe say 1 cup, maybe 2? Add the milk and eggs, don't let it overflow. Mix it up and we have made a sticky dough. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. We're rolling out the dough into a square and cut them nice and even so it's fair. Pop them in the oven and before your eyes, the baking soda makes it so the dough will rise. Wait, I didn't add baking soda, did you? Oh no! Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide. Roll up, we've got to roll the dough up. Roll up, we've got to roll it wide.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Let's get baking!
Wow! Kia ora e te whānau, and welcome to the great Toi Time Bake Off, where our competitors will be making their favourite things in hope of winning the title of Toi Time's Best Baker.
Good luck, Maya. Good luck, Jojo.
The contestants are ready. On your marks, get set, bake! Oh, it's starting to smell delicious in the Toi Time kitchen. Let's check in with our bakers. Ooh. Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora.
Oh, you look like you have everything under control. What are we baking today?
Well, today I am baking my Nana's special cake recipe. She learned it from her Nana, and her Nana learned it from her Nana.
Well, I can't wait to try it, Maya. I'll let you get back to it.
Okay.
Let's see what Jojo's up to. Jojo, what are we baking today?
It's a surprise.
Ooh, are you using a special family recipe like Maya?
Nope.
Are you using a recipe at all?
Nope. I don't need one. Excuse me.
Looks like the bakers are ready to put it in the oven.
After you, Jojo. Oh, thanks, Maya.
It's time for the taste test. Maya, you're gonna be up first.
Okay. This is my Nana's unicorn cake.
Delicious. And I love what you've done with the decoration. Jojo? Ooh. Wow. Oh, this looks interesting, Jojo. What do you call this dish?
Pizza cake.
Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Tastes very creative, Jojo. Jojo, for looks, design, and taste, I give your cake a 9 out of 10.
Great score, Jojo. Well done. Thank you, Maya.
And Maya, the score I'm giving your cake today is a 10 out of 10, which makes you the winner.
Thank you. Well, I'd like to thank my Nana for her cake recipe.
Well, Maya might be today's winning baker, but we all win when there's baking to eat. Ka kite.
To my Kzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure in the kitchen. Today I'm making Kzy Cakes in a cup, but first I must wash my hands. Okay, first we're gonna need 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and finally, some lollies. Yay! And now we mix it all together. Ah! Awesome! And then I'm gonna cook it all up in a cup. And then we put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And now we we just gotta wait 2 minutes. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Buzz the cuz, cooking with love, cooking up a storm, Kzy Cakes in a cup. Oil, flour, and vanilla essence, water, sugar, cocoa, get the message? Put it in a microwave, cook for 2 minutes. Oh, then I eat it when it's finished. Check it out! It's the Kzy Cake in the cup! He reka tēnei. Kia tūpato Kzys, he tino wera tēnei. Make sure you use a cloth because it's very, very hot. But smell this. Oh, Tama is gonna love this! Ka kite koutou.
Man, I'm hungry. Oh, yummy, it's a hangi day today. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I woke up early, 'cause it's a hangi day. My kuia told me, come to the marae, 'cause it's a hangi day. Gotta cut the cabbage, peel the kumat, and peel the potatoes and the pumpkin. Then get the chicken, don't forget the stuffing, 'cause it's a honey day. Well, I'm so excited. I woke up early, 'cause it's a honey day. My kuia told me, come to the marae, 'cause it's a honey day. Woo! Gotta dig the hole, get the fire going. We'll put the kai in, wait with a cup of tea until it's cooked. Now get stuck into the kai, 'cause it's a hangi day. Reka te kai. Oh, can I have some more, please?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Basil.
Basil? Basil who?
Basil do anything for a piece of that cake.
Kia ora, Buzz. Of course you can have some.
No, my...
Oh, it's for all of us to share for afternoon tea.
Oh, cool. Thanks, Maya. Oh, I can hardly wait. Oh, my puku is all excited just thinking about it. Is that sprinkles?
Perfect. But I feel like it needs something else.
Oh, how about something cute and fun and delicious?
Okay. Oh, what have you got there, Buzz? Is it takaro time?
Kaore. Instead of takaro time, we're going to decorate your cake. And then it's tuckin' time cake. Oh, da-da-da-da! Pigs on a cake.
Poaka. Can we eat those?
Yeah, aye. It's made out of fondant.
Fondant.
Fondant. Oh, it's a type of icing that you can make things with.
Did you make those, Buzz?
I saw Auntie making them and I thought, yeah, that looks like fun. And yeah, so I made some too. Should we put some on your cake?
Okay. How about we use that one?
Ooh, good choice.
I'll put it on because I've already washed my hands.
Okay, cool. Hey, my one looks like half pig, half dinosaur. Porkosaurus Rex. Porkosaurus Rex.
It's perfect, Buzz.
Oh! Your baking really takes the cake, Maya.
Oh, thanks, Buzz.
Is it afternoon tea time yet?
Nope, not yet.
What about now?
Still no.
Now?
Nope.
You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, You put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. To wai wai ki roto, to wai wai ki waho, to wai wai ki roto, to ruri ruri hia. Kei te hope hope au, kei te huri huri au, kei te paki paki au e. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your whole body in, you put your whole body out, you put your whole body in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. And that's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about.
Kia ora e te whānau. Hey, have you ever been asked to set the table? That was the first task given to me to help out at home. It's kind of been a little while since I've had to set the table up. I've forgotten how to do it. Will you help me? Oh, great. Cool. Okay. Now, what's first? Oh, cutlery. Okay. Kapai? Boop. Kapai. Okay, what's next? Pereti. Okay, kapai. Pai? Oh, cool. This is cool, man. Kapai? Okay. Now, what do I do with these? Oh, okay. Inventive choice. Kapai? Okay, hea hake atu. Oh, placemats. Where should I place this mat? Get it? Nei. Kapai? Ah, cool. Now, last but not least, a napkin. Ta-da! Look, I made a swan. Thank you. No, sorry, it's just spare time. Okay. On top. Okay. Ta-da! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know. I'm so amazing. Woo-hoo! Oh, now where do we put the kai?
You know what that smells like?
What, Tama?
Another episode of What's in
The Box.
The baking edition. Okay, Jojo, it's time to put your hand in and see what's in the box.
Hey, Tama.
Huh?
I was thinking, baking can get a little hot when you turn the oven on.
Uh-huh.
So you have to be careful not to burn your hands.
Where are you going with this line of thinking, Jojo?
Well, I just wanted to check that there's nothing hot in the box.
Oh, of course not, Jojo. If there was, I would have given you some oven mitts to wear. But it's not hot in there, I promise.
Okay, great. I'm ready to play. Ooh. It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
There's more of them. This one's a bit jagged on one side.
Mm-hmm.
They're shaped like something. Are they cookie cutters?
Oh, yes, they are. Can you guess what shape they are?
This one's a heart.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cute.
And this one is a star.
Whoa.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Tama? Play-Doh! Thanks, Tama.
And then you press really hard and peel it up ever so gently
Push.
and push.
Oh.
out. We need baking powder. Next is butter and milk. Oops, someone's on my face. We add sugar. The mixer is very loud. How much? Now flour. Time to fill the cupcake cases.
Try and pick up a large amount.
That's 6. I've got 7. Be careful, this is hot. Cook for 20 minutes. Time to play. They look yummy. They look so good. Now to ice them. Ready to eat. And our favourite part, eating them. Bye.
I'm back from the veggie shop, Ricky. Here you go. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4.
5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, 8. Huh? What's this?
Oh, it's a kumara. Kumara are my favourite vegetables. Oh, I gotta go. I have to get Auntie's milk to her while it's still cold. See ya.
See ya, Buzz. Oh. This looks a bit different from a potato. It's a different colour and a funny shape. And it has these little hairy bits. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Ricky. How can I help?
what's the difference between a kumara and a potato?
Kumara and potatoes are both called root vegetables because they grow in the ground. The main difference is that kumara tastes sweeter than potato.
Kumara sound delicious. I have one very important question, Mōhio. Can you bake a kumara?
You sure can, Ricky. Baked kumara is delicious.
Nice to bake you, kumara. Thanks, Mōhio.
What shall we do on a rainy day? A rainy day, a rainy day. What shall we do on a rainy day? A rainy day like this. We can get in the kitchen and bake a batch of cookies. We can get in the kitchen and bake a batch of cookies. We can get in the kitchen and bake a batch of cookies. That's one thing that we can do on a rainy day like this.
Kumara, reka, kumara, reka, 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 reka. Kumara, reka, kumara, reka, 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 reka. Kia ora, Mōhio. Could you please do the karakia mo te kai?
Of course, my pleasure, Maya. Nau mai ngā hua o papa ahurewa rangi nui ke te kai, pītiki kia ora, haumi e, hui e,
Tai ki e.
Rawe.
Nei, Jojo. Kia ora, Maya. This?
I'm gonna go for this. What is this called, Jojo?
Pizza cake.
Pizza.
Oh,
It got a 9 out of 10.
It's morning tea time. We pick our cup and plate. We do our karakia. There's lots of yummy food to eat. Apple, banana, kiwi fruit, and grapes. We love food. When we're finished, we put our dishes away. Our worms get our leftovers. Oh my gosh, why me? The compost is stinky. We love morning tea time. Bye!
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about old family photos. In the cozy living room of their home in Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan gathered around Nani as she flipped through an old photo album. Come, my little explorers, and let me take you on a magical journey, Nani smiled. The first picture was of Nani standing beneath towering mountains, her beautiful scarf fluttering in the breeze. Wow, Nani, where is this? Rohan asked. Nani chuckled. That's my homeland, Pakistan. And these are the foothills of the Himalayas. The next page revealed pictures of Nani arriving in Aotearoa. Aria gasped. Is that where we live now, Nani? Yes, my dear. Aotearoa became a new chapter in our family's adventures, Nani explained. They continued flipping through the album and saw Nani all over the world. It's like you've been on a treasure hunt, Nani, Rohan exclaimed. Nani smiled. And the greatest treasure has always been the friends I've made along the way. As the last page turned, Aria sighed happily. Nani, you've been to so many wonderful places. Nani hugged them close. And now, little ones, my greatest adventure is right here at home, creating memories with you. The end. I love reading with you.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa enohora. Kakite